Hello, fellow Scratchers. Welcome to the first episode of Coding a 3D Engine in Scratch. Good luck coding, Scratchers. Create a new project and name it 3D Cube Rendering. Delete this sprite, and then create a new sprite called Empty, and then another sprite called 3D Engine. When green flag clicked, create two custom blocks, one named Prepare without screen refresh, and then the other one named FPS, last tick 30, also without screen refresh. Create three new variables, tick 30 for this sprite only, delta for all sprites, and FPS, also for all sprites. In the define prepare block, set delta to 1, set tick 30 to 30. In the define FPS block, set tick 30 to timer times 30. Set delta to tick 30 minus last tick 30. Set FPS to the round of 30 divided by delta. In the when green flag press block, define prepare forever. Define FPS tick 30. Create four new blocks. One named convert, tick run without screen refresh, another one called render, also tick run without screen refresh, and then another one called draw cube, also tick run without screen refresh, and lastly create another last block called draw I, also tick run without screen refresh. Now in the forever loop, add the new convert and render blocks. Create two new variables. First one called near plane. Second one named screen dist. In the prepare block, set near plane to 0 minus, screen dist minus 1. Now this is important. You need to set the screen disk to 150 before setting the near plane, else it wouldn't work. Now make 5 lists. X position, Y position, Z position, Project X, and finally Project Y. Now in the Prepare block, add 5 blocks, delete all of XYZ positions, and delete all of Project XY. Add a repeat 2 times loop and add 4 add to list X position blocks. In the first and last one, insert -50, while in the other ones, +50. Next, add 2 repeat 4 blocks. And in the first one, add 1 block that says 50 and make sure to switch it to add to the list with Y positions. While in the next repeat 4 loop, do the same but the value is -50. Now add 2 repeat loops nested into another repeat 2 block. In the first loop, add 50, while in the other one, add -50. Now add a repeat 8 loop and create a list named N. At the start, delete all of N. In the loop, add empty to N, Project X and Y. Now create 2 new variables, I and I dot. In the convert block, set I to 0, repeat 8, change I by 1. If item I of Z positions is less than near plane, then replace item I of N with N. Else, replace item I of project X with item I of X positions multiplied by screen disk, then divided by Z positions added with screen disk. Then we do the same for project Y. Now in the render block, erase all, set pen size to 1, set I to -1, and add a repeat length of project X divided by 8. Now just pop in the draw cube block. Now in the draw cube block, change I by 2, set I dot to 0, and add a repeat 12 loop. In the loop, change I dot by 1, Create a new list called nums. If item I dot of nums contains plus, then change I by 1. Now you will need to pay attention, so I won't distract you with the voiceover. Okay, now in the nested if checks, pop the draw block, with letter 1 of item I dot of nums plus I, then replace item I of n with empty, then item I dot of nums. Finally, in the draw block, pen up, Go to X. Item I of project X, Y. Item I of project Y. Pen down, and now same thing. In the Prepare block, add pen up and erase all blocks. Add those blocks, and it is very important to not mess this up.
A few moments later.
Looks like I forgot to switch it to Z position. Wait, that one does not contain a plus. Goodbye and see you in the next series.
Goodbye.